Hey guys, I'd like you to meet my lovebirds, Sky and Rocky. Say hi. Oh, they're too shy. How about a different setting for a change? Alright, this is much better. Right now, I'm inside my wife's very lovely Hello Kitty kitchen. During the Holy Week, we Filipinos immerse in prayerful thought and reflection. Not only that, we also tend to abstain from eating a lot, especially red meat, or even do fasting. Now for us who cannot fully do fasting, here is a dish prepared so simple, cooked so simple, in less time, just like what mom used to cook. Simple, yet delectable. Very fitting for Good Friday. I'll be cooking for you fish kusedo. Oh wait, I think I forgot something. Well, that's a lot of magic for you today, yeah? Oh well, enough of the magic and let's start cooking. So now we're here at the supermarket and we're buying ingredients. First off, we have kamote tops, calamansi, tomatoes, and of course, the main ingredient, salay ginto. Salay ginto sa laguba, puto seko sa tindahan. So here's one of the ingredients, malunggay. Oh well, so as you can see, all of the ingredients are prepared. And so are my cooking pots. Not to forget these little thingies. Now we're ready to cook. 5 cups of water. Put some of the fish. Tomatoes. Half cup of calamansi. And wait till it boils. Once it boils, add the kamote tops. And of course, your malunggay. Add salt. Mix them all together, and that's it. Yummy, just like what mom used to make. Now you can fry the rest of the fish to pair it with your fish kusedo. The owner of this Hello Kitty kitchen. Say hi, Han. Now the rest of the fish are already fried. Now there you have it, my very own fish kusedo paired with fried salay ginto. Have a blessed Holy Week. So what can you say, Han?
Wow, ang sarap! Namiss ko ang recipe ni Mami.
For more of my videos, click like and subscribe.